Hello friends, my name is Agastya Vinayak. Today I am going to teach you subject-verb agreement. This is my third video of subject-verb agreement. Words such as someone, somebody, something, anyone, anybody, anything are all synonyms. Synonym means same meaning words. So what will be the synonym of anyone? Someone, somebody, something, anybody, anything. They are single person. कोई एक. These all words are singular noun. So we have to use singular verb with them. Like example, someone is at the door. Means single person is at door. Words such as no one, nobody, nothing and none are all synonyms. They mean not even a single person. No one is at the door. Not even a single person is at door. These are singular pronouns, so we have to use singular verb with them. Now let's come to examples. Nobody dash and etc. sheet. Nobody is a singular pronoun, so we will use singular verb with it. Now what is the singular verb? Needs. So answer will be needs. Nobody needs an etc. sheet. Now let's come to next example. Someone dash left the ball. Someone is a singular pronoun, so we will use singular verb with it. So which is singular verb? Has. So answer will be someone has left the ball. Let's come to third example. None of the boys dash telling the truth. So none means not even a single person. So we will use singular verb with it. But don't get confused with S. So answer will be is. None of the boys is telling the truth. Now let's come to fourth example. Anybody dash welcome to the class. Anybody. Anybody is a singular pronoun, so we will use singular verb with it. So answer will be is. Anybody is welcome to the class. Now let's summarize what we have done. Words such as someone, somebody, something, anyone, anybody, anything are all synonyms. Means same meaning words. They mean कोई एक, a single person. Someone is at the door. So there is one person. Words such as no one, nobody, nothing and none are all synonyms. They mean not even a single person. So no one is at the door. So we have to use singular verb with it. Bye friends. Thank you.